MuleRun is a website that allows you to build and develop different sort of web pages and conduct a wide variety of different research and even run scripts as well. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what we're actually going to do is we're going to go with one of these stock prompts, and what we're going to do is we're going to analyze Tesla versus BYD stock performance this year and see exactly what MuleRun gives us. Okay, so I guess this is very similar to like a simpler form of Perplexity Computer combined with OpenClaw. They also have a plan that allows you to have access to essentially an AI agent that can always be on and be performing tasks on your behalf even when you're offline, which is quite interesting. So as we can see here, it's using its tool search and it's searching the web, trying to map some possibilities and running different analyses as well. So yeah, this is quite interesting. We can also upload some files in there if we wish to do so, and I think it may also be able to generate some files for us that we can look at and essentially send to others. So we can see here it's got a few actions going on. We've got this web fetch skill, and now it's assembling the answer. Okay, it looks like it's actually doing a bash command as well. It's quite interesting. So yeah, you can also include a knowledge network here as well, and it looks like you can also get your own templates of network that you want, of knowledge that you want. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this to be done. Now, as we can see, it's building that comparison report with the data it's collected, and here we have the comparison. So we've got the current price, the year-to-date differences, the 1-year return, 52-week ranges, and all the sort of useful standard metrics that you should see. So with Tesla, we can see here what its revenue is, net income, and with BYD as well. So the narrative is that BYD has overtaken Tesla as the world's largest BEV maker by volume, but Tesla still retains, of course, a 12x larger market cap. Interesting stuff.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Especially because investors are betting on AI, robotics, and energy ambitions rather than just the sales of electric vehicles. So this can be a great way to conduct some research. As I said earlier, they also have this computer function similar to Perplexity Computer. However, this is only available on a paid plan. You can also have access to this chat on Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.